Hey guys, Connor here, and in this episode we'll be going over how to parse our command line arguments. So I'll show you an example. So we'll be able to go program.exe watch equals some directory here, instead of just program some directory here in quotation marks. Alright, so we'll open up Goland. Okay, create a new project. Auto video encoder. Okay, add configuration. New go build. Directory. New go file. Call it main. Package main. Var watch folder. String. So then we can go watch folder, and then we can go flag string var, pointer to watch folder. So then this will be watch, default value will be pwd. Okay, so usage will be the directory in which video files to encode will be placed. So then we'll go flag dot parse. I can't type today. Well, let's just print watch folder. Right. So obviously I'll just print pwd for now. There. So if we go build, then if we open Explorer and open command prompt, watch equals hello world. Yeah, it will just print out first letter, but obviously our file path won't have spaces. So if we do this, it'll print that out. So that's how we get a command line variable in Go. So what we're going to be doing with this is passing it to our program to be able to monitor that directory, and then it'll just be able to automatically encode the files. That's it for this episode. If you enjoyed, please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.